Hello friends and welcome back. In my previous video I have shown you that how you can create your Spark cluster on Azure HDInsights. Now I'm going to use Jupyter notebook, which is an interactive notebook environment that supports various programming languages. This notebook allows you to interact with your data and combine the code with markdown text, and you can perform simple visualizations. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, the deployment is succeeded. Now I'm going to click go to resource. It will going to open the overview section of my resource which I have created. Now click the URL to access your this Spark cluster. Previously it was not able to start that cluster because it was in development phase, but now it is created. Now when I'm going to open this URL, it will ask for credentials. You have to provide your username and the password. Default one, the username will be your admin and the password which you have provided at the time of configuration while creating your clusters. Now click on sign in and it will going to open your cluster. There will be a dashboard containing lot of metrics, and on the left side there will be a lot of options like Zeppelin, Jupyter, Spark2, Zookeeper, Uzi, Scoop, Pick, Hive, MapReduce, Yarn, SDFS. There are a lot of options up there. Now what you have to do, you have to select the Jupyter from the left hand side. Okay, so first of all check it that the Jupyter is installed or not. Okay, these are some metrics you can use any of to see to monitor your cluster. Spark2 is there. There is no cluster right now. Now click on Jupyter. The Jupyter is started. It means it is already installed on my cluster. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the overview section of your Spark cluster. It's already started. Okay, you can also stop this if you want to stop this Jupyter. There's action, you can stop all of them, start one of them. Okay, you can also configure it also. Now go to the overview section of your clusters. As you can see, there's an option for Jupyter notebook. You have to click this and you can access your Jupyter notebook. This is my Jupyter notebook. Till now my notebook is empty. You have to create one. Okay, as you can see, there's many options, files, running clusters. Now click on new, click on PySpark, and now it will going to open my notebook. The extension of my notebook is IPYNB. Now it is opening my Jupyter notebook. So this is my Jupyter notebook. Now write percentage SQL. Now first of all I want to know that what is tables are available by default. Just write show tables and run the, as you can see it started our Spark application. Wait for a while and it will going to open out. As you can see, it has started our Spark applications. The kind is there, state is there. Spark sessions available as Sparks. Okay, yeah, it fetched my table. Now copy this table name and the database where this table reside is default database. Now I'm going to execute a simple query. Select extract from this table name. Now run this script. As you can see, that the kernel is busy right now. Okay, so it will take time as it is executing this query, and after it will going to give the records of this table hive sample. It takes about 30 seconds to complete it. Okay, whenever you run this any of your query, your browser window title shows a busy status along with the notebook title. Okay, as you can see, this is a record. There's client ID, there's query time, there's market, there's a device platform, device make, device model, states, country, query dwell time, session ID, and so on. Okay, you have many options other than table. Pie chart is there, scatter is there, line, areas, bar. You have to select your x and y and the functions, and it will going to give a visual of that table. Okay, you can also use this Jupyter notebook also. Even you can use that Zeppelin notebook. These both are available on when you're going to create your Spark clusters. Okay, and you can easily analyze big data. It is fast service. Okay, and you can use these notebooks, Jupyter and Zeppelin, to visualize your big data and analyze the data and get good insights from them. I hope you understand. So for till now, keep learning and keep exploring.